Hi, it's Frank Del Rio, and we are out front of Dunnet Avenue here in the beautiful city of La Mirada. Now, La Mirada is located in the southeast corner of Los Angeles County. It's known as a gateway city, and it was also voted the best place to live from Money Magazine. And you can definitely see why. Just listen to the quiet serenity here, the birds chirping, the water feature in the background of your front property, and all of the landscaping. You've got beautiful palmerias, palm trees, and so much more just in the front yard. Let's go inside, and I hope you fall in love. Welcome home. Come inside. You are going to be pleasantly surprised with Dunnet Avenue. On paper, we're just over 1,250 square feet of generous living space. Most homes built in the 50s and 60s here in La Mirada with the 1,200 square foot range, they're a lot tighter. They don't feel as open, but you don't get that here. This property is spaced out beautifully. Look at this large living room. Now, a lot of that comes from having high ceilings. Remember, I'm 6'4", so we're talking almost 8-foot high ceilings. We're flanked by newer windows, plantation shutters, and just all that natural light that pours in gives you this really grandiose feel right when you walk through the door. You've got a beautiful mantle, the fireplace, it is gas. You have the fire ice crystals, which gives it a nice little touch, a little bit of a modern touch. You have the television you can mount up there, and then you're standing on top of hardwood flooring. This is a raised foundation. And then this side is your dining room. Now it opens up into the living, which gives it an even grander feel. Great for entertaining friends, family, parties. I love that front window because that's where the Christmas tree goes during the holidays, so everybody can see, including yourself, when you pull up, because that's when you know you're home. If you like this space, check out the kitchen. Hello, you got this peekaboo window from your kitchen, which I think is so cool because, especially for the families, right? You got the kiddos in the living room, hanging out, being mischievous, enjoying themselves, and then mom or dad in the kitchen cooking up a storm for the family. You can also keep an eye on them, or if you're just entertaining, you can see what's going on here. Food, drinks pass through. You have the space to do it. This is a galley kitchen, but it's very roomy. You're surrounded by stainless steel appliances, lots of cabinetry, very beautiful countertops in here, and then you have a really neat kind of extended bay window area with room to seat at least 2 to 3 people. I'm a big guy, so probably 2 with me, but you do have access to your garage, which is a nice feature to have. This kitchen, you can do it all, and it has room still to be fully customized. And that's what's beautiful about this home, is you can take it the way it is, or you can add your own spin to it when you're ready to call it home. I want you to go look at the 3 bedrooms and the other 3 bathrooms, and I'll meet you outside in the backyard. Oh, hey, you busted me. That's my secret. I'm always working, even in between takes. Did you enjoy that interior? So much to offer with Dunnet Avenue. We're outside. This backyard setting, you were just over 6,000 square feet of land. You've got this wonderful side yard area here. They have a canopy up right now, acts as a nice shade point, but it also is great for entertaining. You can have a lot of little functions and parties back here, and then look at all of this space. Are you kidding me? You have so much room back here. I love how it's positioned because it feels larger than 6,000 square feet. You've got an amazing palm tree, lots of beautiful flower arrangements here off of your planter, and then just look at all of this space. You've got room to put in a pool. You can put in a spa where the shed is at. You can create a little soccer field or a play area. You have the room and the capability. Do you want more privacy? You could put some hedges up and you can create this wall of greenery and just keep this seclusion to your own private oasis back here. You also are set up with 2 access points to the backyard from your master bedroom and off of the kitchen. Your air conditioning units out here, followed by your flanked by beautiful rain gutters throughout the whole house, so no water comes over onto your beautiful property. You've got a side gate area here you can use as a dog run or for more storage. But just think of all the good times that you can create out here with this amazing backyard. I'll meet you in the front for our recap. How fun was this preview today of Dunnet Avenue? Let's recap. 1,254 square feet of generous living space. Remember, as I said earlier, it feels more like 1,500 because of the floor plan, which is very nice to have. 3 spacious bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a plethora of amenities, that big backyard. And then let's not forget, you're a gateway city, so you have access to everything LA County and Orange County. You've got the Splash Pad Park right around the corner, a regional park with all the outdoor activities and ventures you can think of. You're also close proximity to some of the best amusement parks, Disneyland, Knott's Berry Farm, Downtown Disney, all the shopping, restaurants, medieval times. I mean, you name it, it's close. And then you still get the beaches. You still get all of the lifestyle that comes with living out here in the city of La Mirada. And that I absolutely love, because you're getting the best of both worlds. And then of course, your steps to some of the best schools in town. And if you've got a family, or you're gonna be starting your own, or you're downsizing with your family, this is gonna be the house for you. I would love to be a part of it. I'm a phone call or a text away, 714-335-0844. I look forward to having you fall in love with this home. Have a great day.